Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of allowing someone to edit group info in Telegram. If you're an admin and want to grant specific members the ability to modify group information, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Locate the Telegram icon on your home screen or in the app drawer and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Go to the group chat for which you want to allow someone to edit group info. Please note that this will only work if you are an admin and the person you want to grant permission to is not muted. Step 3. Once you're inside the group chat, tap on the group's name at the top of the chat screen. This will take you to the group settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the options until you find the Members section. Tap on it to view the list of group members. Step 5. To grant editing privileges to a specific member, tap and hold on their name. A menu will appear, and then tap on User's Permissions. Step 6. Inside the User's Permissions menu, you'll find various options. Look for the option that says Change Chat Info, and enable it by tapping on the toggle switch. By following these steps, you can allow someone in your Telegram group chat to edit group info, giving them the ability to modify important details and keep the group information up to date. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.